Hi, this is Shay of Shay Design Studio, and today I will be teaching you a tutorial on how to draw a nose, so stay tuned. Thank you for joining for today's tutorial, so we'll go ahead and get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to draw a line, and with that line you are going to draw a upside down triangle. And once you get done forming your triangle, you're going to go ahead and shade the inside of the triangle. This will be the shading portion or the bottom part of the nose. And then from there, you want to go ahead and draw a circle above the triangle. And then you want to go ahead and shade both the inner part of the triangle and the circle. And the circle will be the bulb of the nose or the tip of the nose. And then from there, you want to go ahead and draw comma-like lines. These will represent the nostrils. And then from there, you want to go ahead and draw another comma-like line, and these will be the outside of the flare of the nose. And then what I'm going to go ahead and do is go ahead and just outline the lines here. Oops, I made a little mistake, so I'm just going to go over it again. And what I'm also going to do is I'm going to go ahead and widen the shading area so it forms more within the nose since I changed the size of the nose. Right now I'm just going to go ahead first and fix the nostrils. If you want to add some depth to the nostrils, you just want to go ahead and make the line weight a little bit heavier in the inside or along the, I don't know what they call it, the circular top, the angled side of the nose or the lines. So let me just clean this up. And then I like to go ahead and add, well, in this moment, if you want to add some extra stuff, like maybe a little line above the bulb of the nose, if you just want to emphasize how bulbous that portion of the nose is, then you can always add like a little angled half line. But if you don't want to do that, then you are officially done and you have drawn a nose. Thank you for joining me today in this tutorial, and I hope that it was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment and I will be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. I also have a step-by-step guide on how to draw the nose that I have linked down in the description. So if you're interested in that guide, go ahead and click that link, and I will see you next time for a new tutorial. Bye.